Okay, let's decode this coding agent layer. Honestly, most engineering teams are getting this completely wrong.
Get this, a tech lead recently wasted 3 whole weeks building what they thought was an agent fleet.
They crammed 6 tools into one Claude session. That's 150,000 tokens of messy, non-parallel context. Yikes.
But once we actually nailed down the right primitives, the rewrite took just 2 days. Perfect parallel execution.
To fix this, we got to define the 3 coding agent layers. First up, tools. These are your built-in verbs.
Next, we have MCPs. That's Anthropic's open standard. It basically connects your agent to outside APIs and services.
Finally, skills. Think of these as version-controlled files that teach the agent your team's exact coding conventions.
Skills are smart. They use progressive disclosure to stay super cheap, only loading details when they're actually invoked.
Seriously, don't build these from scratch. Just jumpstart your workflow by forking these awesome ready-made community packs instead.
So here's the massive architectural mix-up that cost our tech lead 3 weeks of total headache.
Skills and subagents look identical, right? But subagents actually run totally isolated processes with their own separate models.
It's simple. Skills are the how-to, subagents are the who. Need parallel execution? You got to spawn a subagent.
Which brings us to the ultimate setup for 2026, the orchestrator and specialist pattern. It's a total game changer. Using this exact pattern, Anthropic's Boris Cherney is literally shipping 20 to 30 pull requests a day. Insane.
But to make this safe, you desperately need one kind of unsexy trick to prevent complete file stomping disasters.
Enter Git work trees. They give each subagent an isolated working directory, totally dodging those nasty parallel write conflicts.
All right, let's take action. Here are the 4 exact moves you need to properly configure your own system.
Getting these primitives right is exactly how teams like Cheesecake Labs are shipping up to 10 times faster.
So, look at your setup. Are you building the right subagents or just cramming everything into one window?